Hello guys! Welcome back po sa aking channel, and for today's video is meron akong i-share sa inyo guys na earning site na kung saan ay nakapag-withdraw ako dito guys ng libreng 200 pesos, and then na-receive ko naman siya guys sa aking GCash. So, yung i-share ko sa inyo guys na earning site ay itong si Shopkot. So, isa to siyang shopping earning site guys. So, dito pa lang guys, no, after natin mag-register is meron agad tayong makukuha 88 pesos. And then, pwede natin itong ma-withdraw guys, itong 88 pesos na to. So, if gusto nyo ditong mag-register, ay ilalagay ko na lang guys sa description box or comment section yung link. So kapag mag-register tayo dito guys, enter lang natin yung ating username, yung mobile number, yung password natin. And then kapag ginamit nyo guys yung aking referral link is automatic guys na meron na yung invitation code dito. So after nga natin ditong mag-register guys ay meron agad tayong free 88 pesos dito. So pwede natin to siyang ma-withdraw. So ngayon guys, para makapag-start na nga tayong kumita dito, isi-click mo lang tong start making money. And then dito nga guys, no, kapag new register tayo is meron tayong makukuhang free 5 orders dito. And then yung mga orders na yun guys ay meron tayong commission na makukuha each order. So as you can see guys, dito is wala pa tayong order kasi nga guys, kailangan natin i-contact muna yung kanilang customer service para ma-claim natin yung free 5 orders. So i-click lang natin to siya guys, and then yun i-contact lang natin yung kanilang customer service through WhatsApp. So, i-message lang natin guys yung kanilang customer service na i-claim natin yung free 5 order or yung 5 tasks guys, na each task nga is meron tayong makukuhang commission. And then kapag nag-reply na yan guys is automatic guys na nasa account na natin yung 5 orders. So as you can see guys, dito sa aking account is meron akong 5 orders dito. And each orders nga guys ay magkakaroon tayo dito ng commission. So para makapag-start na nga tayong mag-earn guys, so i-click lang natin tong start grab order, and then as you can see guys na meron tayong commission na makukuha dito. So each order guys is meron tayong commission na makukuha. And then kapag completed na siya guys, i-click lang natin tong submit order. And then as you can see guys, dito nga sa aking account balance is nadagdagan na yung aking balance dito. So kumpletuhin lang natin guys yung 5 orders. So click natin start grab order guys, and then yun, wait lang natin, and then submit order. So ganyan lang yung gagawin natin dito guys hanggang makomplete natin yung 5 na order. And then guys, itong na-earn natin na commission is pwede nating ma-withdraw. And then para ma-withdraw natin guys yung ating balance dito na 100 pesos, so kailangan muna nating i-activate yung ating account dito guys. So kailangan natin ditong mag-cash in guys, no? So kapag mag-cash in tayo dito guys, i-click lang natin tong recharge, and then yung kanilang minimum recharge amount dito guys is 100 pesos. So i-click lang natin tong recharge guys, and then yung payment method nga nila dito is GCash. So enter lang natin dito guys yung ating GCash. And then dito nga guys merong account number guys, no? So i-copy lang natin yan, and dito nga tayo magsisend guys ng 100 pesos. Na-screenshot nyo guys yung resibo para meron din tayong proof guys, no, na nakapag-recharge tayo. And then pumasok na guys yung aking ni-recharge, no? And then as you can see guys, dito nga sa aking recharge record is approved na. And then dahil nakapag-recharge na nga tayo guys, so pwede na nating ma-withdraw yung ating balance dito. So bago tayo makapag-withdraw, kailangan muna natin guys i-bind yung ating GCash dito. So dito guys, sa please select a bank, so GCash yung ating gagamitin. And then sa real name naman guys is yung ating GCash name. And then itong bank account guys is yung ating GCash number. And then itong fund password guys is yung ating login password. And then nakabind na guys yung aking GCash. So pwede na tayong mag-withdraw dito. So click lang natin tong withdraw cash to a bank card, and then enter lang natin dito guys yung ating withdrawal amount, and then yung ating fund password or yung ating login password. And then dito nga guys yung ating withdraw is ma-receive daw natin within 3 to 5 minutes. And then nakapag-withdraw na nga ako guys. So yung oras na nag-withdraw ako dito is 12:31 PM. And then napakabilis guys dumating yung ating withdraw dito kasi 12:32 guys ay na-receive ko na yung aking withdraw dito, and then wala silang withdrawal fee. So yung na-receive ko guys is 200 pesos. So yun guys, no, nag-cash in tayo ng 100, and then yung free na 100 na nakuha natin is na-withdraw natin. So meron tayong nakuhang libreng 100 pesos dito. And then guys, kapag meron kayong problema sa inyong account sa pag-withdraw, pag-deposit, so i-contact nyo lang yung kanilang customer service dito. dito. And then if gusto nyo ditong mag-invite guys, so i-click nyo lang tong invite and then makikita na natin dito guys yung ating invitation link and then invitation code. And then meron nga tayong makukuhang commission dito guys no kapag nag-invite tayo. So dahil meron nga to siyang puhunan guys, so nasa inyo pa rin yan if gusto nyong mag-try dito. So hindi ko kayo pinipilit, so nasa inyo pa rin yan guys yung decision. Kasi guys no kapag merong mga puhunan ay napaka-risky. So bago nga kayo mag-try sa mga ganitong platform guys, always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. So that's all. Thank you so much.